Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to recover my eyes only photos in Snapchat. To recover my eyes only photos in Snapchat, first of all, tap open Snapchat application in your device. Once you do this, the camera will open automatically. Make sure that you are logged in. Now, tap on the memories icon located on your bottom left. To recover my eyes only photos, tap on my eyes only. Then you have to enter your passcode. Once you do this, simply tap on the snap that you want to recover from my eyes only. Then tap on the three dots located on your top right. Now simply tap on unhide snap. And with this, you have successfully recovered my eyes only photos in Snapchat. You can go to the home section, and as you can see, you have successfully recovered my eyes only photos in Snapchat. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.